Sweet potato casserole is one of those classic Thanksgiving sides, and I just couldn't imagine Thanksgiving dinner without it. So let me show you my recipe that is so well loved. You're going to just absolutely go nuts over it. Now, this is not a new recipe. For those of you that have been around a long time, I've shared it many times. But if you're new or you just needed a reminder of the best sweet potato casserole recipe ever, here it is. You start off with some very well roasted sweet potatoes. I roast mine instead of boiling them. I think your sweet potato casserole comes out so much creamier and less water loaded. And then I just mash them with a potato masher. Although honestly, you could just use a fork and it would work out really well. Add some eggs. I also like to add some butter. This is like semi-melted. You want it to be like really nice and soft. And then you're going to come in with some milk and then some brown sugar, a pinch of salt, and granulated sugar. Now, if you're not familiar with this recipe and you're looking at it for the first time, you're thinking to yourself, that's a dessert because it is very sweet. And depending on what household you're going to or how you grew up, it very well may be a dessert in your household. But for us, we eat it alongside everything else, and it's something we make just once a year. Once you have everything mixed, add that to a buttered casserole dish, and you're going to work on the topping, which I just use the same bowl. There's no need to clean it. It's perfectly fine. And you're just going to mix flour and brown sugar to that with a pinch of salt, and you're going to add in some very cold butter. I'm using a pastry cutter to cut the butter into that mixture, but again, you could just use a fork until it resembles like coarse crumbs. You're going to come in here with some very finely chopped pecans and give it all a mix. Sprinkle it over your sweet potato mash mixture. And this is ready. It's going to go into a hot oven until it's fully done. The full recipe is linked for you down below. If you want to watch the full video, please do. But it is divine. I know you will love it. Please make it. It's absolutely sensational. Enjoy.